everybody, it's Teresa at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and we'd like to welcome you to our summer class preview of 2026. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation.
Hello there, all my sewing friends out there in the land of fabric, thread, and all things cotton. Well, I hope you've got your bobbins filled and your machines revved up, because we've got some interesting classes coming up for these next 4 months. Starting with what I'm offering, I hope you'll enjoy these. First thing I have is called Twirl and Spin. It's a funky table runner here with these stars. You can make 1 star, or you can put 4 or 5, whatever you'd like to have. And always it's nice to have a reversible table runner, because sometimes you get tired of just a design all the time. And this particular one will be offered in July. Next I have Twist and Strip. Kind of sounds like a pole dancer. Twirl and spin, twist and strip. Well, whatever. We've got this really nice table runner. Now, this is made with the Twister Sisters Twister tool. Obviously, I've done red, white, and blue colors, but this will be pretty in any color palette that you choose. And again, we have a nice reversible runner with, again, a nice patriotic style of colors. And this will be offered on August 5. Next, this is very pretty. This is called Erin, and it's a table runner utilizing the Irish chain method. And of course, now the pattern shows you, of course, red, white, and green fabrics because it's called Erin. But I chose this Sweet Sicily collection that we have over here in the shop because I think it's just very pretty. And yes, again, we've got it reversible in a very light, nice springy summer color. And this Erin table runner will be offered in June. Next, I have a rectangular jelly roll rug. Now, some of you can be a little intimidated with those big round Gigunda ones that you see all the time. And I thought making this one here would be a great introduction to making the fabric tools and again making a nice runner. What's nice is one side looks just like the back side. These are a lot of fun to make. And I'll be offering this one here in July. And lastly, this beautiful quilt. It's called Cactus in the Cabin. And as you may see, we've got traditional log cabin blocks. And then we have this funky one here. This is called the cactus inside the log cabin block. This is a fun quilt to make. It's all strips for those of you who have done log cabin quilts. And again, a beautiful backing, so you can always switch it on your bed. This particular quilt I'll be offering in 2 sessions in May and June. To know my excitement at these great projects I'm offering, I forgot about one of my favorite ones, which is Create with BERNINA, which is on Thursdays. It's an open sew class, work on different projects, and I'll help you get through it. So I hope to see you at one of those, because they're lots of fun, socializing, learning new things. And again, I'd like to thank you for choosing Charlotte Sewing Studio as your one-stop shop. We have an awesome display of fabrics. We have sewing machines, embroidery machines, and sergers. We've got great classes, and we have a support staff here ready to make your quilting dreams come true. Thank you very much. See you at one of my classes. Bye.
Good morning. This is Susie McIntyre, and I am your certified instructor with QuiltWorks. Today I'm going to show you a couple different projects for the summer. Let's start out with our 250-year anniversary and make some cute placemats. This is called My Two Baby Sisters. It is a very easy beginner paper piece pattern with a few fabrics, 3 different ones, and it's a 1-day class. The instructions as far as how much fabric are at Charlotte Sewing Studio. So go ahead and ask them for the quantities. This is 12 by 19 inches, and you get 4 placemats per kit, per pattern. If you don't want to make it for 4th of July, you can do any fabric to make these cute placemats. The next project is called Maple Leaf Flurries. And this is a 42 by 42 inch quilt. You don't have to be limited to a 42-inch size, as you can get extra papers and make it bigger. This one just has a yard of 2 different colors put together with a nice border around it. Lots of fun, easy to make. The other way you can make it is you can have it look like this, where you use just a strip set that you may have at home, or you can buy a new one at the studio, and create a random quilt with colors going from dark to light. This again is a very easy pattern. It's more of a beginner pattern. So sign up today. This class is 2 sessions. I hope to see you and thank you. Have a great spring.
Hello, I'm Summer. This summer I will be doing a few classes. The first will be in May. It's May 29th, and it will be for some cool corners for some either tablecloth or hand towels, or really anything that you can think of. I have 2 different designs. One is floral and it's a little larger, and then I have a smaller one, so if you wanted to do for little hand towels. And that again will be on May 29th. The second class I have is amazing. It is the spring welcome sign. And this will be 2 sessions. This will be June 1st and June 8th. It's really customizable. There's 4 different sizes. This is the largest, and you can make it as custom as you want in any colors. So I did it more on the brighter side. So that again is June 1st and June 8th. Then I have this. This is, I call it the keepsake wall hanger. And this is also customizable. You can add on as many extras as you want, and there, there's a little ribbon here where you can add more pictures. It's either family, grandkids, or memories. So this will be 1 class. This will be in July, and this will be July 17th. And for my last class, in August, we are doing some little lacy zipper pouches, and it has a little cool lace design on the front zipper, and these come in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. I had a lady here the other day talk with me, and she said these would be great to take on a cruise. It's really customizable for what you need. And that class again will be on August 3rd. If you have any questions about these classes, please call, and I hope to see you. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jane Chadbourne, and I'm an employee here at the Charlotte Sewing Studio. I'm going to be teaching a class on the bespoke table runner, which is one of our more popular patterns here at the store. It's a great project to be able to either get back into sewing if you've been away for a while, or if you're a beginning quilter, because you'll learn some good basic techniques like the 4-patch and half square triangles and how to size borders and those kinds of things. It's a great project also for seasonal projects. Like, as you can see, I did a sample with the Americana fabrics, or like your decor that's beachy, or just anything, any of the collections here. It really works well because there's a lot of places where you get your focal fabrics can really shine through. We'd love to have you join us on June 3rd from 10 to 1 here at the store. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I'm Sue at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and today I'd like to share the classes I'll be teaching from May to August. Let's start with the Dazzling Designer Bag class, and this is done so anybody that missed any of the classes, you can sign up and do any of the bags I've taught so far, and this is just a sample of them. The next class that I wanted to show you is my patriotic bench pillow. This has embroidery on it with design placement, so you'll be learning all that. Just a really fun pillow. It's got a hidden zipper back here, so you'll be learning all that in the class. The next one is my crisscross table runner, and this was a lot of fun. I decided to do a Christmas in July theme, but my sister did seashells, and it turned out really cute as well. So you can do it in any fabrics, and it's really thick, so you could actually put a hot pot on it. It wouldn't hurt your table. So that's one of the classes. The next one is a placemat.
a napkin with mitered corners, and the small tablecloth. The next class I want to tell you about is my canister wrap club, and this is done every single month for a year. There's a different canister for every single month, so you can just change that out. I've got July, August, September, and October, and the first one I did was the little bunny in April, so I brought him in to show you, but I have pictures of all the rest of them. A lot of fun. I think they're super cute. So I hope you see something that you'd like to create and join me in the classes. Thanks.
Hi, so I'm Barb, and this time we are just gonna have a sit and craft with Barb. We're gonna do folded fabric creations. You can do from the Christmas tree to the pumpkin to one of the several ornaments I've done in the past. One thing you will need to do is have your fabric cut and folded before class if you expect to finish during class time. We have a really good time with it, and generally there are snacks involved. So hey, come on out August 1st and sit and have some fun crafting with me.
Hi everybody, I'm Maryanne, and this session I will be doing a basic beginner's quilting class. The book that we're going to be using is the I Can't Believe I'm Quilting. This goes all the way from soup to nuts. Fabric selection, 1/4 inch, placement of your needles, how to select the right needles, how to choose your colors, how to use a rotary cutter. In addition to all of that, we will be constructing a table runner, which you will put together, quilt, and bind by hand. This will run in Fridays in June, and in July from 1:30 to 4:30, it's 5 sessions. In addition, I'm continuing with my sit and sews on Fridays from 10 to 1 and Saturdays 10 to 2. And don't forget that we have our hand, needle, and thread club, which meets on the 3rd Monday of the month at 10 o'clock, and you can bring in anything that you do by hand. It's a nice way to socialize with other hobbyists who might be working with yarn and knitting and crocheting, or counted cross stitch, embroidery, and even hand binding. So come on and join us on the 3rd Monday of the month, and we hope to see you then. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed our presentation today. If you'd like to sign up for any of our classes, please feel free to call us at 941-235-3555. You can also go to our website, www.charlottesewingstudio.com, to get more information on our classes. Thanks for joining us again, and we hope to see you soon in one of our classes.